Using DEX Screener with Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to track and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio efficiently. To get started, first ensure you have the Phantom Wallet installed as a browser extension. Next, navigate to the DEX Screener website and click on the Connect Wallet button. From the list of available wallets, select Phantom and confirm the connection. This will link your Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener, giving you access to a wide range of features and tools. Once connected, you can view your portfolio and track the performance of your assets in real time. DEX Screener provides detailed analytics and insights, including market data, trading volumes, and liquidity pools. You can also use the platform to discover new tokens and projects, and stay up to date with the latest market trends. To make the most of DEX Screener, it is essential to understand the different features and tools available. The platform offers a range of filters and sorting options, allowing you to customize your view and focus on the assets that matter most to you. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about market movements and potential trading opportunities. When using DEX Screener with Phantom Wallet, it is crucial to prioritize security and safety. Always ensure that your Phantom Wallet is locked and secured when not in use. And be cautious when interacting with unknown or unverified tokens and projects. By following best practices and staying informed, you can use DEX Screener and Phantom Wallet to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio with confidence and precision. By connecting your Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener, you can unlock a powerful set of tools and features that can help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency trading. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive analytics, DEX Screener is an essential resource for anyone looking to manage their portfolio and stay ahead of the market.